Happy Sunday everyone! This is my baksilog for lunch at maglagay lang tayo ng butter sa pan at ilagay natin yung ating garlic, i-fry at ilagay na din natin yung ating leftover rice. I-fry lang natin at lagyan ng seasoning. Ayan, mix well and set aside. At naglagay na din ako ng oil at i-fry natin yung ating 1 egg at ang ating bacon. So, napakasimple lang po to na luto guys kasi nga it's Sunday, it's my own cooking and it's my own food. So, yun. At yun, luto na po yung ating itlog and set aside. At i-fry lang natin yung ating bacon until maluto. Yun. Napakasimpleng luto at napakasarap naman talaga. So, yun. It's my day off and syempre, luto tayo ng Pinas style na food and it's ready. This is my baksilog. Thank you for watching.